Carolina until 6 p.m. Standard Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Eton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The following hazards are included: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lexington, West Columbia, Keith, Thermal, Oak Grove, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, South Congaree, High Ridge, Riverbank Zoo, South Carolina State Farmers Market, Columbia Metro Airport, West Columbia Riverwalk, Gilbert, Death Mills, Streamont, Eastern Riverwalk, Edmond, Gilbert Park, and Raleigh. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 42 and 64. Interstate 26 between mile markers 104 and 105. Mile markers 109 and 118. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 220. The National Weather Service said 60 degrees light rain and fog were reported. In Charlotte, it was 50. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, western Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairfield County Airport to Oak Grove, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Irma, Forest Acres, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Oak Grove, Red Bank, Arcadia Lakes, villages as Sandhill, Columbia International University, Liberty Hill, Elgin, Killian, Harbison State Forest, Riverbank Zoo, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, and Longtown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 56 and 75. Interstate 26 between mile markers 100 and 110. Interstate 77 between mile markers 17 and 40. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Fairfield, South Carolina. The National...
And that's Columbia's third SVR that they pulled today. Alongside the one for Lexington on WXJ20 that I got. There's also Columbia's first SVR that had Fairfield. Fairfield, Richland, and Kershaw. But I missed that because, well, believe it or not, I actually woke up from it when KHC27 related.
54 at Statesville, 56 at Greensboro, 63 at Raleigh, Durham.
Here we go.
65 at Wilmington.
SVR for
Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Scotland County in central North Carolina, Southeastern Anson County in central North Carolina, Southeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Wadesboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Ellerby, Lylesville, Morven, Norman, East Rockingham, Blewett Falls Lake, and Derby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, and Richmond. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, I was about to say the areas that were in the SVR, but as soon as that header came, I just stopped. But yeah, you already heard the SVR, so maybe I probably don't even need to say the counties in it, since, well, this already did. For Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, Scotland, North Carolina.
I've been
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southeast of Greenwood, or 8 miles south of 96 Historic Site, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include 96, Lake Greenwood State Park, 96 Historic Site, Kirksey, Dyson, Callison, Ipworth, and Lake Greenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Greenwood, South Carolina.
And that was WFBC's SVR on my Eton Elite Traveler, my new Eton Elite Traveler, that I got 3 weeks ago. Been used a lot for AM and FM recently, and for WFBC, as you just saw. Okay, so I unfortunately missed a tornado warning issued by Columbia that had been in effect for Fairfield and Newberry counties in South Carolina, along with a flash flood warning issued by GSP for Mecklenburg, North Carolina, and York, South Carolina, which, by the way, looks like a small rectangle. But it's the next day, as in January 28th, so after January 27th. And wait, hang on, what is this? Another flash flood warning.
Warning for Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, top of radar, the Army degrees indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the Northern area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact. The river gauge at Mallard Creek is indicating minor flooding with a stage of 14.25 feet. Low lying areas in the Mallard Creek Greenway near North Tri on Stage US. Route 29 and East Mallard Creek Church Road, upstream of the stream may flood. If Mallard Creek crests at 13.5 feet, Buffalo Creek in southern Cabarrus County may experience an average crest between 15.5 and 18.5 feet approximately 8 hours later. Some will experience flashes to include northeast Charles and University City. Turn around, don't drown with encountering flooded roads. Most flood vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. These are the midnight Eastern Standard Time observations for the Charlotte Metropolitan.
And that's my second flash flood warning. Well, at least my second flash flood warning of, well, as in the word for me, this is the, okay, I don't know what I'm saying here, so just disregard. Anyways, so, apparently this got issued because this flash flood warning got issued. I'm surprised it didn't get issued as an area flood warning. Because this river here that's at moderate flood stage. And if rivers are at, oh, and this is a general thing to know. If any river is at moderate flood category or above, they'll get a flood warning. Though GSP issued a flash flood warning for that. A flash flood warning has also a rectangle, just like the previous one. That too was a rectangle. The previous one that it didn't record. Seems like GSP has an obsession with rectangles and all shapes and sizes.